Hello everyone, I'm back with another video about mascaras. Let me show you the ones which I used or have ever used. I actually was not the mascara person. I know some people live for mascaras, but I was not. This was the first mascara I bought. It is from Benefit. They are real. It was really good. I mean, it was, lengthening. And then I like that, so I bought from the same brand, Benefit Bad Girl Bang. This is an all-time favorite. This is like on everybody's top list of mascaras needed. This is, I don't know what to say, amazing. I'll show both of these. And then this is the drugstore which I bought, like sometimes for daily wear. This one is the Hypercurl. Gives you that volume also. I'm going to tell you some scent tricks. And this is the curler that I use. This is some cheap stuff which I bought. There's no brand also, but it was nice. I mean, not that bad. These two got dried, so I put contact lens lotion in this, and it's become quite creamy and nice. Actually, in the starting it was pretty watery, so I had to wait for a while for it. So you can still see not much of a product is on the wand. Let me show you the wand of the other one also. This one is a bit like a typical cone shape wand, and this one is a bit more fluffy and thick, and it has like shape to it to apply. Let's curl our lashes. I know this is a bit scary for some of you, so just now English, okay, Daisy, English. So put the curler on top of your eyelids. If you have saggy eyelids like this, then pull it up. Even after pulling, it's not expanding. Old age. So take two fingers and pull it up and place it and press lightly. Make sure you have at least most of your eyelashes into the curler. Now, since the whole curler is not fitting on your eye, now if you put it like this part will be missed out. So I would suggest curl the lashes which are on the outer corners, because that is going to give you that shape of your curled lashes. Make sure you don't pinch yourself, slightly press it first, and then if you feel that you're not pinching yourself, then press it tight and keep pressing it like this for about 20 seconds. Give it a last press and remove. Like you can see, they're a little bit curled compared to this. Let's try this eye with this one. So what you have to do first thing is make sure you remove all the product from the wand, like literally all of it. So take your time and from all sides just take it all off. Because if you're going to use all that product from the wand, your eyelashes are going to look clumpy and unnaturally thick. Look how much product has come out of it. And then when you put it back, the product goes inside, so it's not that it's getting wasted. So first what you want to do is apply them from the top, because if you only apply from the down, sometimes the top part does not get colored, because when you apply all that powder and everything, it's gonna look white, and all that foundation and concealer and everything are gonna set on your lashes, so that might get missed sometimes. So you first wanna do from the top. I just try to ensure that I have full control on my wand. Wiggle it from the roots first and then spread it on top. Don't miss these little lashes on the edge. Like I told you, that's going to give you that shape of a winged. Wiggle at the roots and pull it up. If you see clumps like this, then do it quickly, because they're going to set and dry fast. If you want to go for another coat, then you'll have to do it quickly because it's going to dry. But I like it natural like this. You see how instantly they look bright and open. Look at the difference between this and this. Now for the lower lashes, same thing, wiggle at the roots and just slightly bring it out. This is the part where we tend to make mistakes of getting smudged and touching the under eyes. Like I said, you'll have to have full control on your wand. So what's going to happen is, if it doesn't dry and you close your eyes tight, the product from the edges of the hair is going to touch your skin down. So that's why always ensure you wiggle it at the roots and not get some product on the edges of the hair. But just look at the difference. This is how your eyes open up when you apply mascara. I mean, it's just amazing. So this is why I started, you know, using this almost every day, and loving it. Especially these Benefit ones, they are nice. Even the Maybelline and L'Oreal have good mascaras. I'm trying to try another one, but I'm waiting for these to finish because minimalistic. So I applied this on the other eye, and the same way how I applied this, I actually thought I was recording the whole thing, but it was not recording. Anyways, this one is more lengthening than this one. Here's how it looks closer. That's it for now. Hope you like this video. I hope it helped you. If you like it, please subscribe. Please. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Start using mascara and subscribe.